Hey folks, good morning. Today we're gonna be hauling in the beehives from Chikamisha's place. I'll take you there right now, and we'll be placing the first batch either on this stand or all the way down here. But anyhows, to do that, I'll need to move and clear the path. Need to move these tracks so that I can drive the car this way. And this is heavy, really heavy. But what you gonna do? Okay, that's one. And I gotta move the one from the front. I'll be stacking we'll be driving through here all the way down there. Cool. This is more elegant. Okay, folks, we have arrived to Chikamisha's place. There's Chikamisha. These are the beehives. And he's doing the final prep. Okay, let's see how this goes. Dobar dan, Čikamišo. Kako ste?
Evo, dezinfikujem košnice za nove pčele. A u jedan nastavak ide 10 ramova sa voskom. Ovdje ima, gledaj, nastavak, i podnjač.
Dobro.
I dobit će sad kad njega kad kupiš 10 ramova sa pčelava.
Sjajno.
Ali za nastavak dalje.
Gdje ćemo to moći da nabavimo?
A imate, znači, ima u pčelaru.
Pa odlično.
Imaš u Volođi, ja mislim u Pančevu.
Odlično.
Ona ima ovdje 4-5 kila meda.
I što su uginule?
Nemaju polen. Ne ide, ti vidiš ono šare, gledaj.
Znači...
Jer polen je pčelinji hleb. To je hrana za tu mladu pčelu. Ona bez toga ne može da živi.
Howdy folks. Okay, so this is the first beehive. The remaining two are here. Just gonna check how the top sits on this one. I'm gonna be assembling all of them. This is a demo today. Okay. So this is doing just fine. But what we also wanna check out is the other frame. This is just a demo. Sorry. I think this location is a bit better because they are well tucked in and away from the noise from the people. They just might like this area here a bit better for the first glance. So yeah, perfect fit. That does look nice, but they are safer down there. Okay.